Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales. We're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2017 Mazda 2 1.5 SE-L Navigation. This car's finished in soul red metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, chrome grille surround, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, (15-inch) alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the blue patterned centre panels, rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car now. So inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, and this car's equipped with the inflation kit, which is the standard equipment with the car. Moving around to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors. On the dashboard you've got the controls for the lane departure, tyre pressure monitor reset, stop start deactivation switch, and the lane keeping monitor. Centre console you've got the controls for the media system, so the small dials for the volume, the large dial is to select which function you're wanting to use. So inside the car now, 5-speed gearbox, you've got 2 USB plug-in points and an auxiliary port, 12-volt plug-in for accessories, and then you've got the SD card holder for the navigation system, CD player, heater controls with manual air conditioning, media system, so that's the home page. Turn the dial, select the audio. So on that side you've got FM, AM and DAB radio stations, you've got Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, USB ports, CD player and the auxiliary port. Turn the dial for the navigation, so you've got full screen navigation system as well. Back to the home page. Controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. And then on the other side you've got the controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. This car's done 39,131 miles. Moving back outside the car again. An identification plate that tells it's the Mazda 2 1.5 90 PS and it's the SE-L NAV. So now moving forward, driver's side front alloy wheel, Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.